So this is Land Cruiser 2014 all key lost. This is a smart key. We are going to make it all key lost. Type 1 all smart key lost. Okay, first thing is backup emulator.
कितना कटिंग रहता है
6
8
ट्राई करो नेट में. So it's take like 3 minutes to back up the data. It's Land Cruiser 2015 model. Okay, and it's 3 button remote. So this we are going to make it. So let's read the data first. So data is already saved. Now I just put the name and save it. So I can put Toyota and 2014. Just put the 8 int to be save it. Okay, backup is success. Now I have to make the emulator to on the ignition, then I can make the 8 key. Okay, so now I have to generate the emulator from here. Okay, okay, put the emulator on the device, press OK. Okay, so that one you have to make it this one, press enter. Okay, count of the keys 2, type 98. Okay, it's success. So you have to start the car first, switch ignition on. Yeah. So switch ignition is on already. We can start the car also. Okay, by this slim card we can start the car also. So put the on off and on the ignition to be 8 key. Sometimes it's one time it's starting. It's take time, don't know why. انتبه احكي موضوع عمل ما هناك هذه السنة. So now switch ignition is on. We are going to make the 8 key. 8 smart key. Okay. Okay, switch ignition is already on. There is already 2 key.
والله صاير غالي الحين.
لا بيرتفع بعد سعره بتروح زياده.
هو الحين ارتفع شي 15 فلس.
وبيرتفع زياده.
كمان؟
كمان لان منظمه ابك يمكن يقلوا الانتاج.
لا والله.
ما حل اسمه. البرميل كم من نفط الحين؟ 80؟ لا بيوصلون 85 90.
هلا راح يصير يمكن درهم عفوا اللتر يمكن تصير يمكن
So there is a no 4 key. Before was 2 key, now is 4 keys. Program is
بس
complete.
لا اذا بيرتفع هنا بيحصلون الحكومه يتحكمون بالسعر، الحكومه هي اللي بتدفع الفرقيه.
ايه صح. او بيخصصون لكم انتم مثلا 20 و 50 لتر لكم فري والباقي انتم تدفعون.
لا الحكومه بتدفع هي.